Today we will discuss about how can we able to create the basic structure in StatPro. For creating the structure we have to specify the file name, file location and type of structure. Then we have to select the units. I have taken the file name as a structure 1, then provide the location, select the type as an analytical, then I have to select the metric unit. Then click on create. It will ask for the saving the file. Just click on yes. It will directly open the particular file and go through the particular first screen. This is my first working screen. I have to just turn on the grid. Just click on beam grid. It will directly open the grid in XY. We can modify this grid along with our use. From here we can easily change the plane of grid. I have selected the plane of grid as XZ plane, and now I am going to change the particular spacing of the grid and number of the grid. I have taken the number of grid in X direction as 3 and spacing is 4 meter. In the Z direction I have taken 3 and spacing is 4 meter. Just click on OK. After clicking on OK, we can simply connect all the intersection point for creating the particular beam. Just select the first node and then select the second node. By selecting all the node, we can simply create the beam along X and Z axis. So this is how we can able to create in XZ direction all the beams. Now I can modify the particular grid planes by just clicking on create, and I have created the grid as a elevation name, change the plane that is an XY, and change the number and spacing. I have taken the X spacing as a 3, Z spacing as a 4, Y number as a 4, and Y number as a 5, since I have created a 5-story building and spacing is 4 meter. Then from here we have to select the elevation. We can create the beams along the elevation grids, that is along the XYZ grid, by selecting all the intersection point of the grid in XY direction. Just click another point for creating the particular scheme. We can simply copy paste. These are all the grid or shift the origin. Just click on the edit and shift the origin at a 4 unit in the Z direction. Just click on OK. Now my origin has been shifted. At the 0,0,4 unit, we can easily create the horizontal and vertical beams along with the grid intersection points. Just selecting, these are all the points. Now connect all the horizontal nodes along the x-axis. Now I have created second grid. We can simply copy and paste. These are all the grids. Just select all the beams and simply click on copy and paste with the help of beam cursor. Just go to the select and select the beam cursor and select all the vertical beams and right click, select the copy and right click, select the paste beam along the Z direction. Put the Z is equal to 4. Just click on OK. Again we can paste it at a distance of 8 meter. Just Z is equal to 8. So we can easily create the copy and paste in the StatPro Connect edition. Now I can create the beam with the help of add beam tools. Just select the add beam tools. Select 2 node points on the screen for creating the particular node. And again we can connect all the beams by selecting the connect beam tools and select all the nodes and select the connect beam along the Z axis and click on OK. It will connect all the beams along the Z axis. Now structure has been created. We can simply create the all the base beams by selecting these are all the base beam and click on delete. So these are all the my structure I have been created in StatPro.